If I just finish this part, Mom won't get scolded. I can do it a little faster. I just finished cleaning it.
You left one spot uncleaned, you rusty rat. People like you don't belong here.
I'll clean it up right away, I promise.
Don't act like you're an employee here. You're just the maid's daughter, and even that's going too far.
My mother works very hard here. I'll clean it up. I won't cause any trouble.
Lily, what's wrong? I'm very sorry, sir. She didn't mean to get in the way. She was just trying to help me finish faster.
Then keep your daughter out of my sight!
Please don't be angry. This won't happen again, I promise.
I don't want this rubbish crawling all over where my son walks.
I understand, and I won't come here anymore. I'll stay behind where I'm supposed to be. These aren't trash, and they're just things nobody cares about anymore. But I do. I really do. If it turns on, I can fix the rest. I just need a chance to make it a success.
You don't need to push yourself like this, Lily.
If I learn enough, things can change.
You've been working all day, take a break.
If you study hard, Mom won't have to bow her head to them anymore. I can do much more than this. I just need time.
Well, this warehouse rat has now built itself a little office? How pathetic.
Do you really think you can use something like that? People like you don't know how to build.
Clean up. That's the only thing you're good at, so don't pretend you're good at anything else. Warehouse rat stuff.
I will clean up. I won't leave this battlefield here. And I will try to study harder to change. I just need to understand this part. But if I try again, maybe it will work.
Really? You're sitting here messing around with that broken laptop as if it's some big deal? This isn't a game you can play. People like you should know your place.
I'm not bothering anyone. I just want to study on my own.
Go ahead and try it, but it won't change anything. You won't suddenly become smarter just by staring at a screen. That's it! Now it's just like everything else you use, completely useless.
Oh no, my computer! It's okay. I can start over. Try not to drop anything. Try to get through this. We can go home, right, Mom?
Stay close to Mom, Lily. Don't look at them, and just finish this job, and we'll be able to go home as soon as possible.
Logan, you know what to do.
Look at her! She can't even hold a tray of food! That's probably what happens when you hire rude people in places like this.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to.
Are you serious about your work? You've ruined our evening with your carelessness.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'll clean it up right away.
If you can't control your daughter, then don't bring her here. I'm not paying for disasters like this.
I'm sorry, Mr. Vance.
Get out of here, you two! Useless!
Serves you right, you rat.
One day I will walk into this place without being chased out.
It's okay, Lily. Let's try our best together.
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, Lily. I couldn't give you a better life, and now we don't even have a decent home.
Mom, please don't say that. We still have each other, and that's enough for me. One day, I will change everything. I will buy you a bigger house than theirs, and you will never have to bow your head to anyone again. I can definitely do it. I have to try my best. I just need to finish delivering the newspapers along this route. I can get to school on time. I can't be late for class anymore.
A child like you should be sleeping, not working so early. Anyway, it doesn't seem like this will change much for you.
I will not give up.
You've missed a corner. If you want to get the full amount, clean it up.
I'll clean it up. I can do better. I just need to keep trying. I can sell these empty bottles.
Look, still rummaging through the trash, Lily.
Lily, is that the only thing you're good at? It's not trash. It helps me move forward.
Lily, you don't need to do all of this. You're still just a child.
If I stop now, nothing will change. I may be tired, but I can't give up.
Let's get started. Please tell me what's working well and what needs fixing.
The system you've built is now helping many countries stay safe. Problems are decreasing, and people are increasingly trusting it.
Excellent. Let's continue to improve it, one step at a time.
There's an important issue. Vance is losing money very quickly. Their system is outdated, and many people have stopped working with them.
If you don't learn and adapt, you'll fall behind. That happens to everyone.
You can't just leave like that. We built this company together.
Dad, what's happening? Why is everyone leaving?
We can take over what's left of the Vance Company. The final decision is yours, Lily.
First, make sure the employees have stable lives. They are not the ones who made the mistake. No, this can't be true. We can't lose everything.
Please. We can fix this. Just give me time. Don't leave now.
Hi, Logan. Long time no see.
Wait, no, that can't be. Lily?
I came here because this land now belongs to me. You and your father can leave.
Please, you don't understand. We've been under pressure. Please give us another chance.
Lily, I was just joking back then. I didn't mean it that way. We can start over, we can be friends.
You wasn't joking. You've shown me your true self every single day.
Lily, I was so childish. I didn't know how to behave better.
You ruined all my hard work, you laughed when I stumbled, and you treated me as if I weren't human.
We have nowhere else to go. Please don't take everything away from us.
Please, we can fix this. I didn't take everything away from you. You yourselves lost it the moment you chose to treat others as if they were worthless.
Get them out. This place no longer belongs to them, and they are not allowed to stay here anymore.